This is my house in MEEP City. So, I'm going to be trying to talk some of my videos, but today I'm going to be showing you how to do a floating breakdancing floor, and it's not that hard. You just need a few things, and it looks super cool. So yeah. First of all, if you try to put down like a floor, I'm just gonna use this room for example. You can't make it float. Like it won't float, so you have to do it a certain method, and it's pretty simple. So the only two things you'll need is a dance floor. Any size will work probably, I think. But I use the small ones for this, and I have 3 on here with a microphone. But you need a walkway as well. I use it for my fashion show. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, and I'm just going to give you a little house tour. This is like the guest room, and we have like a bathroom, the guest bathroom with like some washers and stuff. Kind of matches the orangish yellow theme, I guess. So in here we have my room. I don't know why I chose the blue theme, but it's just kind of pretty. And then we have my bathroom right here with those marble pillars. And then we go into here, and this is my kitchen. We have like some stuff, some pizza, fruit, and just a bunch of things. And then I have a boombox that plays songs. And then here's like my table. Then we go upstairs. Oh, forgot one. We go in here, and this is kind of like a cool fun room with the trophies, just like a bouncy thing and a couch. It's just kind of another random room. Then we come, and this is like a party room when I have parties. When we go up here, we have my fashion show room, where this can be a judge, and this can be a fashion show or like a Roblox Got Talent. And if you go to the microphone, you can just talk and it'll like make it with the song thing. In here we have like a pool table and a hot tub and just like kind of a cool room. In here we have a movie theater with a popcorn maker, like a fog machine, and just a bunch of that. I just noticed this today where it has this thing right here. It's like weird, but when I go into like this, it doesn't show up and I can't take it out. So can someone comment below and help me? But yeah. So let's go to this. This is kind of like a green screen area. But there's things. So we have a lot of posters here. This is kind of like my MEEP's room, sitting room type of thing. There's my MEEP. Okay, and here we have another like fun room. I'm gonna eat some of that popcorn. There's just a bunch of cool stuff within the, just like a sitting, so it's kind of cool. And here we have the schoolroom. So we have some lockers, a whiteboard. I got this whiteboard. It was 80 Robux. 80. I don't really think it's very worth it. It's worth it. I like it, but for 80 Robux, it's not very amazing. So we have a bunch of desks, a locker, a teacher's desk, projector, and a chalkboard. This is like a reading group area. You know, if you go to school, in like elementary school, you have like these little reading groups or whatever, and it's kind of cute. So it's kind of purple themed. So yeah, there's my room tour. Now on with the tutorial. So I'm gonna demonstrate this in this room because I have more room. But we're gonna just go into this little moving thing, and we're gonna take the walkway. You're gonna place it anywhere, and then you're gonna take your dance floor and put it on top. You don't have to level it up. You can really just put it like that. But if you're lining up some, you might want to put it like that. And then from there, you're gonna want to tap on this, or go to room and press on that. You're going to need to move it to attic. Oops, wrong thing. You're going to need to take this. Clicked on the wrong thing. but you're going to need to go to room and find the walkway. From there, you're going to need to move it to attic, and then you have a floating dance floor. So there you guys go. You can hop up on it. You can put a microphone on there, but this is just a demonstration, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe below and check out my latest videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a likes up if it works for you. Comment below if you have any issues, and I'll try to answer them. So just give me a question. So I hope you guys enjoyed. My username for Roblox is Whitney656615. So go ahead and add me. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon on MEEP Cities, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Yay!